Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to combine multiple indicators into a single customized tool on TradingView, you're in just the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to merge and create your own combination indicator, all without needing to be a Pine script expert. This is a really handy skill, especially if you like to analyze the market using more than one strategy at a time. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, head over to the indicator section in TradingView. You'll find this button at the top of your chart. It usually looks like a little FX symbol. Once you click it, you'll see a library of all sorts of built-in and community scripts. Here, search for the first indicator you want to combine. In this example, I'm going to start with the EMA or exponential moving average since it's a classic for tracking price trends. Just type EMA into the search bar and you'll see it pop up. Go ahead and click on moving average exponential so it adds to your chart. Now the key part, we're going to grab the code that powers this indicator. Right-click on the EMA label that appears on your chart, then select Source Code. Sometimes this is labeled a bit differently, like View Script Source, depending on your platform or if it's a built-in indicator. Copy everything you see in that script window. These lines are basically the instructions that tell TradingView how to draw your indicator. Next, head down to the Pine editor. This is TradingView's scripting environment, usually along the bottom of your browser window. Click New to make a fresh script. You'll probably see some placeholder code there. Go ahead and clear that out so you're starting with a blank slate. Now paste in the EMA code you copied from earlier. At this stage, you're halfway to making your custom combo indicator. But since we're combining multiple tools, let's change the name so it reflects what we're about to create. Find the line near the top that says something like Study, Exponential Moving Average. Replace the name in quotes with something unique, perhaps EMA Supertrend, if you're merging EMA with the Supertrend indicator. Giving your script a custom name makes it much easier to keep track of later, especially if you build more custom indicators. Let's repeat the process for our second indicator. I'll use Supertrend, but you can pick whatever fits your strategy. Return to the indicator menu, search for Supertrend, and add it to your chart. Again, right-click or open the options for Supertrend, then view and copy its source code. Back in your Pine editor, locate your EMA Supertrend script. Place your cursor at the bottom of your pasted EMA code just after the last line and then paste in the Supertrend script you copied. Now you have both sets of instructions in one place. It might feel a little like mixing two recipes into a single dish, but that's what gives you full control and customization. Before you do anything else, click Save. You'll probably be prompted to give your script a name. Make it something descriptive so you'll recognize it later. Once it's saved, you can go ahead and remove the standalone Supertrend indicator from your chart. Since you've essentially packed it into your custom script, you don't need the separate version cluttering things up. And for the final step, click Add to Chart. If everything went smoothly, you should see both indicators, EMA and Supertrend, or whichever ones you combine, showing up together, but all tied to your single custom script. This can really clean up your workspace and streamline your analysis. If you ran into any little snags, don't worry. Sometimes scripts need tiny adjustments, and that's totally normal. Take your time and remember, you can always tweak things later as you learn more about Pine script. That's it for today's walkthrough. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another indicator combo you'd like to see next. And don't forget to subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.